These are the 5 things for lead generation that I recommend every agent focus on, whether you're a team leader, a seasoned agent, a new agent, or even a broker owner. These 5 sources will make your phone ring, will get you showing houses, get you listing houses, will get you writing contracts, and will get you to closing. These 5 items. These are the 5 that I'd focus on. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing at the end of the video if you found value in it, and then check out all my other videos on the channel. My name is Josh Barnett. I've been in the real estate industry over 18 years, coming up on 19 years now. I've personally managed 640 transactions, 640 plus transactions. I think it's like 646 now. I've been a part of over 1,600 transactions in my team and my referral network throughout the United States. I've been at a small mom and pop brokerage. I've been at a large mom and pop brokerage. I've been at a franchise brokerage. And then, of course, as you guys know, I'm at the largest independent brokerage, not just nationwide, but internationally. Internationally, largest independent brokerage. More information on that below if you consider wanting to work together at the end of this video and you're like, you know what, I am looking at other options and I want to hear more about what Josh has to say. More information on that down in the link below. Let's get into today's video. Number five, guys. Number 5, agent to agent referrals. There are so many agents out there, guys, who know somebody moving somewhere. They know somebody moving somewhere. If you are an agent and you're looking at building relationships and you live, let's say, for example, it's San Francisco. Let's say you live in San Francisco and you're an agent that lives in San Francisco. There's people that move from Sacramento to San Francisco. There's people that move from San Diego to San Francisco. Am I right? Am I right? Just on the micro level, just thinking about your state. Are you talking to agents in Sacramento? Are you talking to agents in San Diego? Are you a member of the Facebook groups for San Diego? Are you a member of the Facebook groups for Sacramento, San Diego? If you live in San Francisco, are you a member of those groups? Are you interacting with those agents? Are you private messaging those agents? Are you reaching out to those agents and letting them know, hey, I'm here. If you don't have anybody, I'd love to earn your business and show you that I do a good job. Agent to agent referrals on the micro level, statewide, nationwide. There's agent groups in Oregon. There's agent groups in Illinois. There's agent groups in Florida. There's agent groups in New York with people who are moving to your area. Are you a member of those groups? Do you interact with those groups and let people know, hey, I'm available to help your referrals coming to my city or state? Or, hey, I'm available to help your referrals who are moving from my city or state to your city or state. Agent to agent referrals is lead source number 5 that I would focus on for the next year. I would focus on that year, nurturing those for the next year, nurturing those relationships. You could use social media. It is so easy to use social media, and you could build those relationships, receive those referrals. If you could add 5 agent to agent referrals to your closings for 2026, would that be helpful? Would it? Comment down below if you could get 5 more closings from agent to agent referrals for 2026, if that would be helpful. Would that get you the new car that you want? If you sell $1 million homes, that gets you the new house that you want, or the down payment on the new house that you want. You know, agent to referrals, number 5. Let's talk about number 4. Tried and true technique, guys. Tried and true technique, number 4. Open houses. Open houses. And if you market an open house correctly, you're going to have a week's worth of content and a month's worth of content if you market and promote an open house correctly. I've got a whole video on how to properly pick an open house, choose the right open house, how to do the marketing on the open house, the social media posts, the long form content post. I've got a whole video built just on focusing on open houses, and I've got that linked down in the description below. But open houses could easily get you 3 to 5 more deals a year. easily get you 3 to 5 more deals a year. Just like I asked on item number 5, would 3 to 5 more deals a year help you out? Would it help buy that car that you're looking for? Would it help have that down payment that you're looking for? Look, you get out of real estate what you put into it. Open houses, absolutely you get out of them what you put into them. If you run your open house right, you're going to get easily 3 to 5 more deals, probably 5 to 10 deals, probably 5 to 10 more deals a year on just open houses. If you put the work in, hold a minimum of 3 a month, hold a minimum of 3 a month. It's your job. Your job is sales. Your job is marketing real estate. An open house, total time for the whole week shouldn't be more than 10 hours invested, maybe 12, maybe 10 to 12 hours invested. Guys, if you're making $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 paychecks, and you're only working 10 hours a week on marketing, come on, that's a no-brainer. Open houses, item number 4, when it comes to Realtors lead generation for 2026. Like I said earlier in the video, I've been at a small mom and pop brokerage. I've been at a large mom and pop brokerage. I've been at a large franchise brokerage, and I've had my own brokerage. I've literally had I forgot about that. I've had my own brokerage, and now I'm over at the largest independent brokerage internationally, guys. If you're a broker owner, a team leader, a seasoned agent, or a new agent, and you're thinking about other options and you want to find out more about how eXp Realty is obsessed with agent success, how we have eXp World where you can easily go into the world and get help with accounting, agent solutions, transaction help, onboarding for your whole team. If you want to know more about that as a team leader or broker owner, how eXp Realty takes that off your shoulders, or as a new agent or a seasoned agent, you want to learn more about things like open houses, like we're talking about on this video, 24/7 training. Hold on, I gotta honk at these birds. How to build a team, how to work referrals, how to just be more productive in real estate, work less, earn more. Guys, if you're ready, or if you're curious about how eXp Realty has healthcare options, has revenue share options, has ability to purchase discounted stock, my contact information for any of that stuff we could cover is down in the description below. I'd love to chat with you about how eXp Realty is obsessed with your success. Item number 3 on lead gen, guys. Item number 3 on lead gen for realtors and real estate agents in 2026. Yes, there's a difference between a real estate agent and a realtor. It's a paid membership. I've got paid friends. Number 3, long form video content. People want to know about cities they're moving to. People want to know about the steps to sell their house. If you're making long form video content on those subjects, it will help the consumer. It will build your expertise. And most consumers are Googling and researching agents and teams before they hire them. Guys. So wouldn't it be best practices to have a portfolio of instructional, educational videos that help consumers choose you before they choose someone else? If they were to Google best agents in Seminole, Oklahoma, wouldn't you want, 4, 5, 6 videos to pop up that explain how you help sellers, how you help buyers accomplish their real estate goals, whether that's selling 160 acres, whether that's purchasing a ranch with a beautiful 100 by 60 shop and cross fence with 2 ponds, a creek, and plenty of room for your cattle? Wouldn't it be best if they already have videos of you telling them the steps in accomplishing both those goals? If you make long form video content and the consumer searches for what that video is about, that video is going to catch their eye, and they're going to be all like, oh wow, I know this guy without knowing this guy. And when they call you, they'll be a little bit starstruck. They'll be like, oh my goodness, I'm so excited to talk to you. I've watched all your videos. That's why you make them. Oh my goodness. Well, thank you so much. It's so nice to finally meet you. what questions can I help you with on real estate today? And then they'll just tell you everything. And your videos already direct the consumer which direction they're supposed to go. If they're sellers, they're already going to know what they need to do to get their house ready for a photo shoot. If they're buyers, they're already going to know that they need to get pre-qualified before they look at houses, or have a letter of funds if they're buying with cash. Your videos help consumers help themselves. They introduce you to the consumer so that you already have that relationship, and you're able to double, if not triple, if not quadruple you as a person. When I look at my consumer geared long form video YouTube channel, there are three Joshes out there marketing every single day. Because if I take my views per day, divide it by 8, I'm usually between 2.8 and 3.5, depending on the time of year. So that means there's 2.8 Joshes out there working. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're working 8 hours a day, but you're getting 36 hours of view content on your long form video, that's 3 Joshes out there talking to the consumer. So I can focus on team building referrals, team building real estate sales training, team building mentoring, just mentoring agents, saying, hey, come on, let's schedule that next open house together, walking the agent through scheduling the open house. That's what I can focus on. Business stuff, by the marketing stuff, is handled by the long form video content. Guys, if you're not doing long form video content, you gotta step it up. If you got cold feet, you got questions on where to start, book a call with me down in the description below. Book a call with me. We'll go over it. It's easy. You just got to get started. Lead generating item number 2 for realtors or real estate agents in 2026. Social media, guys. Social media. You've got to be social on social. Time block 30 minutes a day to look at your friends only and go like and comment on their posts. 30 minutes a day to like and comment on their post. And then spend, maybe 10 minutes a day making some sort of real estate post. It can be something like a cheesy profile picture, I sell houses, or just something. Just get something out there, and always backlink every single image to your website. But the biggest thing is just liking and commenting on people's posts. People put their kids' sports on social media, comment on it and like it. People put their kids' plays on there, comment on it, like it. People put their vacations on there, comment, like it. Just be social on social media. The algorithms have everybody plugged in. They're trying to make it to where everyone's even plugged in more than cell phones. Just be social on social media for 30 minutes and do not get stuck in the algorithm feed scroll craziness. You set a 30-minute timer on your phone and you tell yourself, I'm going to like and comment on 20 different friends' posts, and you get to work. This is a job. You're being social on social media. You're not talking about real estate during this 30 minutes of liking and commenting people's stuff. You are literally being a friend on social media. And if you have less than 1,000 friends, guys, you got to bump that number up. I struggle with this myself. You got to bump that number up. You got to get your friends to 2,500. That's the number one source that you're going to get your business from in 2026. And if you don't do this step, you're going to be kicking yourself at least 4 or 5 times a year. You're going to be kicking yourself. You've got to reach out to your past customers and your sphere of influence via phone. You've got to reach out to them. Easy days to reach out to past customers and sphere of influence is on the day they bought their house or land. That's one easy time of year to reach out to your past customers, sphere of influence, on the day they bought their house or land. That's an easy day. Another easy day is Thanksgiving, guys. You can shoot them a text at Thanksgiving. You don't even have to call them. And I recommend a real text from your cell phone. Happy Turkey Day. I'm thankful for everything, for knowing you in my life, and I'm thankful for your business. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. Something simple via text to them on Turkey Day. When you're finished eating with everybody, just sitting on the couch doing nothing, you can pump out 100 to 200 texts to your past customers and your sphere of influence. You can easily do that, especially if you're doing copy paste. Change it up a little bit. Don't make them all the same. Or you can do it before dinner, before the turkey lunch starts. You can do it before then. When you're sitting on the front yard watching the kids play with the family, you can shoot off 100 to 200 texts. You can do that. It's going to take you an hour to 2 hours. So time block, and don't waste your day on Turkey Day doing that. And then the day they buy a house. Another easy day is New Year's. Happy 2026. I hope this year is your best year yet. Thank you. I'm thankful to know you, and I'm thankful for your business. I hope you have a great 2026. Something simple, something easy, just shoot a text out. But you got to call them at least one of those times. You got to call them once a year and at least text them once a year, at minimum. At minimum. It would be best to do it 4 times a year, but at minimum, you got to do it twice a year. And if you're not sending out your monthly newsletter, you need to jump on top of that and do that. If you have a question about a CRM that'll help you do that, I've got a whole playlist on Bold Trails down below. I recommend Bold Trails. We get it for free over eXp Realty. So if you're not using a CRM to send your newsletters, I recommend Bold Trails. If you don't want to spend the money for Bold Trails and you're not ready to move to eXp and work together yet, then I recommend MailChimp. I'd recommend MailChimp. It is a great email newsletter provider. So, number one thing to do for real estate leads and real estate business in 2026 is staying in touch with your sphere of influence and your past customers. Staying in touch with them. And this is above this being social on social media. This is literal phone calls, literal text messages to your past customers and your sphere of influence. You do those 5 things and you work on those 5 things, you're going to have more business than you can handle. You'll be able to be a referral agent like me, and you'll be able to build your team like I do if you want. If you get enough deals, by May 2026 that you don't want to work anymore, if you got a year and a half worth of deals by May 2026 and you want to take a 3-month vacation, hey, more power to you. More power to you. But if you focus on those 5 realtor lead gen activities and you focus on them every month, every week, every day, you are going to be a true salesman or a true saleswoman. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with anyone who might be in a little bit of a real estate lull so they can take advantage of this video too. If you're a broker and you want to use this for a training video, absolutely use it as a training video at your office. Guys, my contact information is down below. I am dead serious about working with you at eXp Realty. I've been at a lot of brokerages over the last 18 years, and I would love to work with you over at eXp Realty. No place is perfect. No place is perfect. I do have problems occasionally with the transaction team. I do have problems occasionally with just general stuff. There's no place that's perfect. Even when I had my own brokerage, it wasn't perfect. But guys, the pros absolutely outweigh the cons over at eXp Realty. Click the link down below. Let's schedule time to talk together about how eXp Realty is obsessed with your success. Whether you're a broker owner, team leader, new agent, or seasoned agent, I'd love to work with you at eXp Realty. This playlist that's popping up right here, that's a playlist about something. I don't know yet. And then this video right here, the algorithm thinks that's the video that you should absolutely watch next. That one right there. They know when you should go potty and eat. So I guess you should watch that video too. All right, guys. See ya on the next one.